We were having a lot of shifting in cracks in our walls.
Over the last couple of years, we've had major drought, and so these are buildings that were built 8-10 years ago. We get a call from the owner saying their fences are leaning, foundations are coming apart.
There were cracks at our window in the master bedroom. We also saw the cracks in the brick on the outside, so we knew we needed some help.
Cracks in ceilings and walls, doors and windows that won't close, splits and cracks in exterior bricks and siding, all potential signs of a failing foundation. The very thought of a foundation problem brings uncertainty and fear to most homeowners.
When you have your largest investment in your home and the foundation is in trouble, it's a very nervous time.
Pressed concrete, helical piers, steel piers, drainage correction, root barriers. The choices can seem overwhelming. Your home or business is a valuable asset, and you want to protect that investment. So the most important choice you have to make is choosing the right foundation repair company.
I had talked with other repairing companies when I was going through the bid process. I got a lot of conflicting information. After talking with folks at Granite, I was convinced that they had the right approach and their engineering logic was sound, and they weren't just trying to sell me on the method that they do.
Granite Foundation was very good about trying to determine our issue, our problem. What is it that we were trying to solve for?
I did feel confident that I wasn't being pushed to do anything, but given the information I needed to make a good decision.
Granite Foundation Repair understands the ongoing foundation issues in the North Texas area that are often caused by expansive clay soils and extremes in Texas weather. We offer all types of foundation repair, including steel, concrete, or helical piers, drainage correction, and root barriers. Our services include commercial as well as residential properties.
The biggest thing that I was impressed with was the way that the sales rep came out and looked at the situation, looked at the problem that we had. Instead of just coming out with a whole list of options for a lot of money, he actually looked at what was going on with the soil and with the foundation.
We felt like they were more familiar with the area. They knew the soil better. They gave us the confidence that they knew this soil that we have in this area.
Granite Foundation Repair has been serving the North Texas area for over 10 years and was founded with the goal of creating a business built on integrity, trust, and customer service.
My personal business philosophy is, first of all, integrity in our business dealings. And I look for that in each of our employees. There are lots of things that you can train, but you can't train integrity.
As owners of Granite Foundation Repair, Jim and I share the same values when it comes to what we think must be the bedrock for a strong organization. And of course, integrity is the first item.
Owners Jim and Betty Ausler are committed to providing the best foundation repair solutions to their customers. They treat each home as if it were their own, and each customer as if they were a neighbor.
I got called to follow up on my feeling about how the job was done, and that meant a lot to me because I felt like it wasn't just we've come in, taken your money, and left.
We believe that communication is a key part of customer service. It's first of all listening to what their customer has to say and really understanding what their concerns and issues are.
That's why after each job, we send the customer an evaluation form and we ask, how did they feel about the evaluator? How did they feel about customer service? How do they feel about the workmen who are out there performing the work? We're always looking for feedback on how we can do better with our customers.
I got a lot of phone calls following up from the office to make sure the crew had arrived, that they were doing the job, and I got calls throughout the day just checking on me to see if I was happy, if I had any issues.
I got a phone call every day asking me how things went and if I had any kind of questions, and it was way more than what I expected.
There is no one-size-fits-all solution to foundation repair. Each property is unique. Granite's trained evaluators conduct a thorough inspection of the home or business. The customer is then advised on a range of repair options.
Not all houses need pier work. Sometimes there's other solutions like drainage, correction, root barriers. Sometimes there's other things that need to be done before pier work is done. So in that case, we're not trying just to sell a repair. We're really trying to come up with the best solution for the homeowner.
The thing that made me feel the most comfortable about using him was that when he looked at our site, he didn't just throw out the most extravagant system that he could put in for us.
We did get a couple of other bids, and we just didn't feel confident with the people that came out to our house. It just didn't seem as personalized or willing to give us information.
Granite Foundation Repair employs the top professionals in the industry, providing professional service, a commitment to quality, and fair pricing.
Yeah, Granite Foundation was very professional. You could tell that the salesperson and the foreman and the production workers, they had all worked together before.
They were able to show me with the tools on the ground exactly what they were doing step by step.
You know, the work crew was very professional, did a great job, and didn't damage my lawn or my landscaping at all.
The cleanup after repairs was wonderful. We didn't have to do anything.
They were respectful of myself and my animals and my home, and they seemed to know exactly what they were doing and did the job quickly and as quietly and cleanly as they could.
Your home or business is a large investment. The integrity of its structure relies on a solid foundation. You can't afford to trust the repair of the foundation to just anyone. You can trust Granite Foundation Repair.
Quality, integrity, professionalism, and value for your money. These are all things that you get when you call Granite Foundation Repair.
If one of my friends or somebody that we knew or asked us about any kind of foundation problems, or if we knew someone, I would recommend Granite Foundation.
In my line of work, I don't run across foundation problems that often, but when I do, I'm going to make the call to Granite Foundation Repair.
I actually went through 3 rounds of peering and was the first company I called on the second, third rounds. Didn't even consider using anybody else.
Granite Foundation knew exactly what they were doing, and they did it very efficiently, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them to any of my friends.
While we were not happy that we had to have foundation work done, we were grateful that we found a reputable company like Granite Foundation Repair.